If you want to make an image stand out inside LibreOffice Writer, adding a border is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a border to an image in LibreOffice Writer in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want your document to look cleaner, more professional, or simply give your picture a little more emphasis. And if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Writer document and make sure the image you want to edit is already inserted. Once your document is open, click on the image to select it. You should see that the image is active, which means Writer is ready for you to change its settings. Now, right-click directly on the image. A menu will appear with several options, and from that menu, click Properties. This will open the Image Properties window, where you can adjust different settings for the selected picture. In this window, look for the Borders tab and click it. The Borders section is where you can control how the outline around your image looks. Here, you'll be able to choose the border style, line thickness, and color. Take a moment to select the border style you want. For example, you can choose a simple solid line for a clean look, or use a thicker line if you want the image to stand out more. You can also choose a border color that matches the style of your document. If you're creating something formal, black or gray usually works well. If you want something more creative, you can pick a colored border for a stronger visual effect. Once you've chosen the border settings you like, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice Writer will immediately place the border around your image. You can now see the result right inside your document, and if needed, you can repeat the same steps to edit the border again or remove it later. And that's it. You've successfully added a border to an image in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple formatting trick, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.